Hot water heat pump instruction. Once accessed, a flashing code will appear at the bottom of the screen. Code F01 indicates the temperature unit setting. A value of 0 represents degrees Celsius, while 1 represents degrees Fahrenheit. F02 is the maintenance reminder setting, 1 to enable, 0 to disable. F03 sets the maintenance reminder interval. The default is 365 days, with a configurable range of 30 to 365 days. F04 is for resetting the maintenance reminder, 1 to enable, 0 to disable. F05 is used to clear error codes, 1 to enable, 0 to disable. F06 controls the electric heater, 0 to disable, 1 to enable. Modification is not recommended. F07 enables the weekly disinfection function, 0 to disable, 1 to enable. F08 sets the electric heater operation temperature. Modification is not recommended. F09 sets the weekly disinfection start time. The default is 12 o'clock, with a configurable range from 0 to 23 hours. F10 is a reserved function. F11 sets the temperature for vacation mode, with a default value of 15 degrees Celsius. F12 is a reserved function. F13 is a reserved function. F14 sets the electric heater forced compensation start time. This setting is only effective when F27 equals 1. Modification is not recommended. F15 is the burned protection setting. 0 to disable, 1 to enable. F16 is the current protection setting. 0 to disable, 1 to enable. F17 sets the weekly disinfection temperature. Default is 60 degrees Celsius, with a configurable range from 60 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. F18 sets the maximum disinfection temperature. Modification is not recommended. F19 is a reserve function. F20 is a reserve function. F21 sets the Modbus communication address. Configurable range is 1 to 20. F22 is a reserved function. F23 restores factory settings, 0 to disable, 1 to enable. F24 and F25 are reserved function. F26 sets the weekly disinfection duration. Configurable range is 0 to 59 minutes. F27 controls the electric heater forced compensation function in eco mode. 0 to disable, 1 to enable. Modification is not recommended. F28 and F29 are reserved function. F30 controls the panel backlight. 0 to disable, 1 to enable. F31, F32, and F33 are reserved function. F34 configures the keypad audio feedback, 0 to deactivate, 1 to activate. F35 is the child lock setting, 0 to disable, 1 to enable. When enabled, the child lock activates automatically after 1 minute of inactivity. F36 sets the temperature difference threshold. Default is 13 degrees Celsius, with an adjustable range of 2 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. This parameter determines the temperature drop required to trigger reheating, resulting in shorter heating cycles when set higher. It is not recommended to set this below 5 degrees Celsius, as it may lead to system errors.